Looking for Andrea Leonor. Come on up from the Prefeiture Municipal de Niteró. Is that how I pronounce it? Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Great to have you with us. Here's the microphone. Here are the people. Off it goes.
Buenos dias a todos.
Good day to everybody. I'm so sorry I don't speak Spanish. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Andrea. I'm a biologist and an environmental manager and social mediator. Thank you so much for this opportunity to represent the city in this great event. Our program for sustainability in Niteró, applying nature-based solutions, Niteró near Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The program that we talk about includes several different projects. Amongst these, the building of the Piratunu Keys National Park that has a system of wetlands, the largest wetlands of the Americas and the Caribbean, and the renaturizing of the Janeiro River Basin, which is its purpose is to recover the Piratininga Lagoon and its biggest basin, which is the most important, via the application of different techniques, different NBS solutions in a zone which used to be in a hospital where they used to dump residual water which was untreated, and because of the presence of lots of trash and waste. This area has a terrible odor and many mosquitoes that produced many diseases that were feared by the population, especially in the area of the largest communities, which is located around the Piratininga Lagoon. Therefore, this was an area of socio-environmental exclusion, actually. The building of 35,000 wetland square meters throughout 2 kilometers around the lagoon has allowed us to begin the treatment of these waters and to actually restrain the sediments, a great deal of sediments that in the last 5 decades has contributed to the degradation of the lagoon. And this process has become something that we've overcome. Today, these flourished areas, because of native plants that have been planted in the wetlands, have begun to attract a great deal of new birds and reptiles, enriching our biodiversity and turning into an attractive area for tourists and academic researchers, which allows us to affirm that environmental justice has become a reality. Via systemic thinking, the subjectivity, there was the participation, direct participation of our citizens in every phase of these projects. Today, we can actually say that over 85% of the demand from the communities was actually accepted, and their involvement allowed them to have a sense of belonging. And that allowed us to create the first organizations that are operated by the community, which used to be a marginalized community. In the case of the renaturalization of the Janeiro River Basin, the biggest Piratininga Lagoon River Basin did some healing works in the 3 local favela neighborhoods, improving the quality of the water of the river. Within this project, they used innovative techniques, re-engineering techniques in order to recover the water flow from the river. We implemented 8 river basins, being bioretention basins, in order to receive the excess water within areas where we had a lot of rainfall, during times of lots of rainfall, applying the concept of the sponge city. Thank you so much. This presentation showcases our work.
Hey, brilliant. Thank you very much indeed. Brilliant. Thank you. So there you go. There you go.